Hello, hello, hello. It is Nicole. Nicole is making it happen, and I am here at CVS with some clearance deals with coupon matchups for you to make that price even sweeter. So guys, as always, before we get into the deals, before you go get your pencil, your paper, before you get your app, I need you to give me some thumbs up. Like this video, thumbs up, hit it, hit it, hit it. And then I need you to subscribe to my channel if you have not already done so. It is absolutely free to subscribe. And then hit that bell next to that subscribe button. That way you won't miss out on any deals and savings that I put on YouTube or that I put on Instagram, because you'll automatically be notified. Guys, put some likes, put some comments down there. Let me know what you like. Let me know what deals you'd like me to do. And if you go out and do the deals, let me know how you made out. So guys, I'm here at CVS, and let me say that I do not own the rights to this music that's playing in the background. This is the daily CVS DJ. So that is their choice of music, and they are paying the royalties for that music, not me. So I just want that to be known so that my video is not taken off YouTube. So let's get started. Go ahead, get your pencil, your paper. You're going to need your inserts because we need to clip some coupons. CVS is having a clearance. They are resetting some shelves. Some items are going to be discontinued. So what they do is they mark them down. Sometimes they're 25% off, then they might go to 30%, then 50%, then 75%. A lot of the items that I'm going to show you today are all 75% off, and there are coupons to go with them. So guess what? That makes them even cheaper. That's what Bargain Betties do. That's what Bargain Bobs do. We have a low out-of-pocket, and even if we don't need the item, we get it and we put it up for when we do need it. Or we get it and put it up and resell it. Or we get it and we put it up and we give it to somebody. So whatever you choose to do is fine with me. So let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to turn the camera around. So I am here in the pain aisle, and there are a few items that they have on clearance that you can purchase, and they also have coupons with them to make them even cheaper. Now my store sold out of a bunch of them, but I'm still going to show them to you just in case your store has them. So the first thing is, let me make sure this focuses for you. It's the Salon Paws Jet Spray. It's regularly $11.79, and it's 75% off. So today you could get it for $2.94. I don't have a coupon to pair it with it, but you might have one. So if you do, that makes it even cheaper. Okay, let's go down to the Icy Hot. So they have the Icy Hot Medium Spray, which is regularly $10.99. That is on clearance, 75% off for $2.74. And if you can find it at your store, there's also this coupon that takes $2 off. So guess what? It'd be 74 cents if you have this coupon. Okay, now when you go there, you'll see the dry spray also, but remember, it is the medium spray that is on sale, and this is the coupon that matches up to it. So it would be 74 cents for you. Okay, now they also have the CVS hot and cold combo heating pads, pain reliever pads. Now those are 75% off, which brings them down to $2.49. I don't have a coupon for that, but if you have the CVS app, you may have a CRT for that. And if you do, that will bring that down even more for you. Okay. Now they also have Aspercream, and I'm looking to see, I guess my store doesn't even sell that, but look in the aisle for Aspercream that is on clearance, and if so, you can use this $2 Aspercream coupon. Focus for you. So you can use that coupon to make your out-of-pocket even lower. So now we're going to go over to the personal care aisle and see if they have some things over there that are in stock. that we can get on clearance, plus use our coupons. Okay, so the first item that we're going to come across is the Colgate Zero mouthwash. That is regularly $6.49, but it is actually on clearance. The price isn't marked here, but I'm going to take it to the red box so that you can see the price. That's the only thing about CVS clearance. Prices aren't always marked. So the good thing is to just take it to the red box and get the price scanned, and then that way you'll know. So as you can see, this is regularly $6.49, but it's on clearance price for $3.24. So it's 50 cents off. And we're going to use this dollar coupon. So that is going to make this mouthwash $2.24. Okay, so I'll let you see it again. They have a couple, but I'm just going to grab one because just making this quick video for you guys so that you can see what we have. So let me show this to you again. All right, so it is the Colgate Zero, okay, $3.24. Now guys, it does have an extra buck deal with this. Spend 12 and you get $6 extra bucks. So if you were to buy a few of these, you could actually get the extra bucks back. But I'm not going to do that deal because I'm just rushing and I want to get this video done for you guys. So there's another mouthwash that's on clearance. It is the small version of the Scope Outlast, and it's regularly $3.79, and I believe that is 25% off. And you can use this dollar coupon to bring it down to $1 some. Okay. All right, we're gonna move right along here down the personal care aisle because they have a couple different toothpaste on sale. They have the Colgate Total, which is the 5.1 ounce, and that is on sale for $2.49. It is regularly $4.99, 50% off, $2.49. And then if you use this dollar off coupon, it'll come to $1.49. They also have this Total as well, $4.99, on sale for $2.49. Take the dollar coupon off, and you pay $1.49. So I'm going to grab the Advanced Whiting, and I'm going to use my coupon. The third item we're going to pick up is the Right Guard Sport. And you can see it's $2.89. It does not have the clearance price on it, but we're going to take it to the red box, scan it, so that you can see what the price is. You can see it is regularly $2.89. It's on sale for $2.16, but we're going to use a coupon, and this coupon looks like this. So it's $1 off, so we're going to pay $1.18 for this. I believe that's what it's scanned. Let me double check again. We're going to pay $1.16. So on sale for $2.16, and we're going to use the $1 off coupon, so we're going to pay $1.16 for this deodorant. So guys, I'm going to head up to the register. I'm going to get rung out so that you can see what my clearance deals came up to. And again, not every store is stocked with the clearance deal, so your store may have them, maybe stocked They maybe not, like you can see, my store didn't have the Aspirin Cream or the Icy Hot. Someone had already come and got them. But check your different stores, get your coupons, and save. Okay, guys, so I'm here at the register, and I'm going to put my CVS card in, my number in, because you know I don't have my card because it's so old. But you always want to make sure you put your number in. That gives you the sale prices, that tracks what you purchase, and that also gives you coupons for your purchases. Okay? All right, so I'm going to let you see everything ringing up. Okay, and I'm going to give her my coupons. So you can see the 3 coupons that I'm using. So you can see I got $3 off. So my total is $5.09. And I'm going to use my $5 extra bucks. So that's going to bring my total down to 0. So I'm not going to pay anything. But if you don't have extra bucks, then you would pay $5 out of pocket. Thank you. So guys, that is my deal. Go to CVS, get those clearance deals, match your coupons up with them. Until the next time, keep on saving. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow with some early activations. Keep on saving.